Hello friends, welcome to my video. So today we're going to do this chapter 1 going to school of EVS class 4. So this is basically a chapter explanation which is going to be mix of English and Hindi. I will explain in English also and in Hindi also. So I would take some 15 or 20 minutes of yours. I'm not sure what time it would be, so let's get started. So in this chapter they have given us some examples how different types of children go to school in different forms. So let's read them. ओके सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम ये चैप्टर करने वाले हैं चैप्टर 1 गोइंग टू स्कूल, जिसमें डिफरेंट तरीके के बच्चे कैसे स्कूल जाते हैं डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स में वो दिखाया गया है जो पढ़ने लग जाते हैं. द फर्स्ट वन गिवन ओवर हियर इज़ द बैम्बू ब्रिज ऑफ असम. सो दिस इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल कि कैसे आसाम के बच्चे बैम्बू ब्रिज से स्कूल जाते हैं. सो इसमें ये दिखाया गया है कि बारिश होती रहती है पर भी बच्चे हार नहीं मानते, स्कूल जाते हैं. यू वांट टू रीड इट? लेट्स रीड इट वंस. इट रेन्स सो मच वेयर वी लिव. समटाइम्स आफ्टर द रेन देयर इज नी हाई वाटर एवरीवेयर, बट दैट डज नॉट स्टॉप अस फ्रॉम गोइंग टू स्कूल. वी होल्ड आवर बुक्स इन वन हैंड एंड बैम्बू विद द अदर. वी क्विकली क्रॉस द बैम्बू एंड रोप ब्रिज टू रीच स्कूल. तो इसमें ये दिखाया गया है कि कैसे बच्चे साहस करके स्कूल को जाते हैं बैम्बू ब्रिज के ऊपर से. एंड इफ आई जूम इन एंड यू सी द बैम्बू ब्रिज, इट इज़ रियली डेंजरस to look at because it is only made up of some handful of sticks which are really dangerous if you fall down, because down it may be river or some bare land. Okay, so we have a question over here. Do you think it would be easier to walk on this bridge barefoot or with shoes or slippers? So I translated to Hindi. आप क्या बोलते हैं, नंगे पाँव चलना आसान होगा या फिर चप्पल पहन के? सो आई वुड से नंगे पाँव चलना आसान होगा. वॉकिंग barefoot on this bamboo sticks would be easy because you wouldn't slip. अगर आप चप्पल पहन के हो तो रबर और प्लास्टिक से आप स्लिप भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन हमारी स्किन से स्लिप नहीं हो सकते. सो आई वुड से barefoot is more easy. Okay, so let's move on the next one. It's Ladakh. So it's written Ladakh, the trolley. So the children over here go in a trolley. So this is mainly बीच में रिवर होता है और लेफ्ट और राइट पे धरती होती है. धरती मीनिंग बेयर लैंड, जिसमें रोप टाइड है ऊपर से रोप, जिसमें एक ट्रॉली. द ट्रॉली ओवर हियर इज गिवन. दिस इज़ द ट्रॉली जिसमें 4-5 बच्चे. ट्रॉली इज़ एन ओपन बॉक्स मेड अप ऑफ वुड जिसमें 4-5 बच्चे बैठ के जाते हैं और ये रोप पुली से खींचता रहता है. सो चिल्ड्रन गो. This is what you want to read it. Let's read it once. Every day we have to cross the river to get to the school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river. As I told, across the river there is a strong iron rope on both the sides. It is tied tightly with strong trees or oaks. There is a trolley, an open box made up of wood, attached with the rope. 4 or 5 of us sit in the trolley. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. We reach the other side of the river in a short time. So this is a bit dangerous also. If you fall from the trolley, then you could barely lose your life. But this shows how many children are interested to go to school. Okay, so there is a let us do or sort of a question over here which we answer. They are asking if you're pulling something, it is easy to pull with a trolley or with your hand, lift it with your hand. So I would say कि पुली से पुल करना वुड बी मोर ईजी, क्योंकि वो जो वेट होगा ऑब्जेक्ट का वो पुली खींच लेगा. आई गेस यू वुड अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी. इफ यू वुडंट, आई से इन इंग्लिश मच मोर. It is easy to use a pulley than lifting the object in your hand, because the pulley's rope would take on the whole weight of the object which your hand wouldn't take barely. Okay, so the next one here is the cement bridge. This is not a place is not mentioned here, but the cement bridge. We often need to go across some water bodies, so we use bridges. These are made up of cement, bricks and iron rods. The bridges may also have steps. So as you can see, this is a bridge here and there is water, so they are crossing the water body and these are the steps. Okay, how is the bridge different from a bamboo bridge? Let us answer these questions. How is the bridge different from a bamboo bridge? Bamboo bridges, that is this, bamboo bridges are made up of bamboos and we can barely slip on it, but cement bridges are tight enough and made up of cement, rocks, so it is easy to walk on cement bridge, right? How many people do you think can cross the bridge at a time? The cement bridge, 15 or 20 people very easily can cross the cement bridge because it is made up of cement and iron rods and bricks, and I don't think so if someone stands on it, it may break. Next one. Let's leave this one. Let's leave this all. These are all personal response which I think you all can do on your own. So let's move on to the next one. So this is also a question. This is once more a personal response. Let's move on. Vallam. Okay, so Vallam is a small wooden boat in Kerala, and agar you can see clearly in the picture, there are some kids who are sitting on the boat and they're getting down if the stop came. Okay, in some parts of Kerala we use a Vallam to reach school. This हिंदी में इफ़ आई से थोड़े बच्चे बोट में बैठ के जाते हैं केरला में पानी के अगेंस्ट. नेक्स्ट राजस्थान. कैमल कार्ट. सो दिस इज़ अ कैमल कार्ट. We live in a desert. There is sand all around. It gets very hot in all day. We ride in a camel cart to reach school. We say it a tonga in Rajasthan. So इसमें ये हिंदी में आल से इसमें बच्चे कैमल कार्ट में बैठ के जाते हैं. कैमल के पीछे लकड़ियाँ डाली होती है जिस पे बच्चे बैठ के जाते हैं. एक जना उसे चलाता रहता है. नेक्स्ट बुलेट कार्ट. बुलेट कार्ट इज ऑल्सो सेम टू द कैमल कार्ट. इट हैज़ टू what we say, I'm not getting the word. Okay, 2 cows. We have 2 cows and then once more wooden plank and someone driving it. Okay, so you wanna read it? Let's read. We ride in a bullock cart going slowly to the green fields. If it is too sunny or raining, we use our umbrellas. You can see it here. There's umbrella. That's a minor thing to learn, but nice to explain you all. Next one, bicycle ride. So this is once more comes upon the girl power or the girl thing. So इसमें it's nothing. They're showing कि how different types of girls, actually not different types of, many 7 or 8 type of girls come together, make a group and go to school on bicycles. Next, jugaad. This is first thing they're saying that this vehicle is really good. They're appreciating the vehicle in India, and then they're saying that this vehicle is made up of a motorcycle. In front it looks like a motorcycle. It is in Gujarat. In front it looks like it is a motorcycle. Then back it has wooden planks on which children are sitting and going to school. Next. सो हिंदी में अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि जुगाड़ को, सो इसमें एक मोटरसाइकिल के पीछे लकड़ियाँ डाली है जिस पे बच्चे बैठे. सो ये एग्जाम्पल में ये एग्जाम्पल में और ये एग्जाम्पल में, तीनों एग्जाम्पल में लकड़ियों के ऊपर बच्चे बैठ के जा रहे हैं. ये भी हम सोच सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, चिल्ड्रन क्रॉस द जंगल. तो इसमें देख सकते हैं कि घना जंगल है जिसे बच्चे क्रॉस करके जा रहे हैं. सो इन दिस दे आर शोइंग कि हाउ डेंस फॉरेस्ट आर बीइंग क्रॉस्ड बाय चिल्ड्रन एंड दे कांट द सनलाइट डज नॉट reach the forest, and what they can hear is some creatures. Next one which we see is moving on the snow. So this is of his place, we can say. So in this picture, if I zoom in, you can see that 4-5 girls are walking together on the snow. So अगर हम ये पिक्चर में देखें तो 4-5 लड़कियाँ हमें चलती हुई दिख रही है. And if we read it, we'll get to know. See how we reach school. We go to school through miles of snows. We hold hands and walk carefully. If the snow is soft, our feet sink into it. So feet sink. तो ये दो लड़कियों के पैर अंदर जा रहे हैं. So we can say that the snow here is soft. Into it. When the snow is frozen, we may slip and fall. अगर ये snow बस frozen होती है तो वो गिर भी सकते हैं. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, rocky paths. So ये I would explain you before reading it only. This is nothing but 4-5 पत्थर डाले हुए हैं. Not 4-5, many stones are there and children walking upon it and going to school. It may be hard for the plains people to walk on in, but we run on it. So it's damn simple, okay? So this is one more personal response or activity which you need to do, which is really interesting. You can read it and try it. Okay, so the next one is the From Children Pen. So in this is an article from some child, Sagar Mishra of class 5. Let's read it. From Children's Pen. Failed in test, 30 rulers. Fooled around in the test, 15 rulers. Homework not done, 8 rulers. Nails, teeth, dress not clean, 30 sit-ups. Having fun in the class when teacher is out. Stand on one leg for 2 hours. Not back in class after recess. Stand on bench with your hands up in the air for 1 hour. So this is nothing but there's a picture given over here saying no punishments. So this is an article from a child of Madhya Pradesh who is saying what kind of punishments they have in the school. And this is the list of the punishments. Do you also have punishment in your school? No, we don't have a punishment in our school, but we do have scoldings. Do you think that punishment should be there in school? No, punishments should not be there in school, because children feel a bit discouraged and they feel disobedient and disconfident in front of the children who are not getting punishments. Is punishment the only solution to misdeeds? Make some rules for prevent misdeeds. What we can do is, you can scold the child, you can explain him really clearly, and many more. So this was all for today, guys. This was the chapter 1 of EVS, going to school. I guess you all enjoyed it. It was really interesting. The types of examples we got to learn, it was damn fun, I guess. So if you all really enjoyed, and if you all have any doubts, so please do comment down. And if you all enjoyed it, then please like my video, comment and subscribe. And that's all for today. And there is one more thing which I would like to show you all, the last and final thing of this video. Draw a picture of your dream house in your notebook and write about it. So you can do it on your own, and if you're interested, please do comment how my video was. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.